Hello and welcome to my channel. I am from India. I create stunning drone videos that capture the world from a whole new perspective. Through my lens, I bring you breathtaking skylines, vibrant cityscapes, and the beauty of nature from above. This video is one of those moments. A magical night view where the city lights meet the calm glow of the moon. Welcome to a magical night view, where the glowing city meets the calm beauty of the moon. Let's take a journey together through this stunning skyline. Take a look at this breathtaking view, a vibrant city glowing under the calm watch of the moon. The night sky, painted with clouds and a glowing full moon, creates a perfect balance of nature and human life. From above, you can see thousands of twinkling lights, each one representing homes, families, businesses, and dreams. It's a reminder that no matter where you are in the world, cities come alive at night, just like Newark, Los Angeles, or Chicago. The energy never really fades. What makes this view so unique is the harmony between the natural beauty of the moon and the man-made brilliance of city lights. The moon connects us all. The same moon shining here is the same one you see every night in the United States. It's a universal symbol of connection and wonder. Imagine standing here in person, feeling the cold breeze, watching the skyline sparkle and realizing how vast and full of life the world truly is. It's moments like this that remind us to pause, breathe, and appreciate the beauty of our surroundings. So wherever you are watching from, whether it's a quiet evening at home or a busy night in the city, take this view as a little reminder. The world is big, beautiful, and connected. And the night sky is a gift we all share. Welcome to Visakhapatnam, also known as Vizag, a coastal gem of India, where the mountains meet the sea and the city comes alive with lights and energy. As the drone soars above, you'll see a city that is both modern and timeless. By day, Vizag is famous for its golden beaches, bustling port, and scenic hills. But by night, the city transforms into a glowing masterpiece, filled with sparkling lights and vibrant colors that stretch as far as the eye can see. Look closely at the horizon. The Bay of Bengal rests quietly on one side, while the city's skyline rises with life on the other. From above, you can see how natural beauty and development blend so beautifully here. The moonlight adds a touch of magic, making every street, every building, every light shimmer with its own story. Visakhapatnam is not just a city, it's an experience. Known for its warm hospitality, rich history, and stunning natural beauty, it attracts travelers from around the world. From the bustling city markets to peaceful hilltops, from cultural landmarks to modern hubs, Vizag truly has it all. Vizag is a city that welcomes everyone. And now, through this lens, I welcome you. Thank you for joining me on this night flight over Vizag. The same sky, the same moon, and the same stars connect us all, no matter where in the world we are. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with a brand new video. Don't forget to subscribe.